get to understand, say, no matter the good we are doing in life, people always find something bad to say. Then see me I wash my daughter clothes. You have some people comment and I say, get a washing machine. Then suppose me can't afford one. I don't have to do without anybody who have a problem with me, I wash with me hands up. If you don't have a problem, buy me a washing machine. And the next thing you have some man I talk about say, me no say me a more feminine, me no masculine because me I wash me 3-year-old daughter clothes, I wash out her panties. Tell me something. What 3-year-old pick me I go help out herself. Can you imagine in a life no matter where you are the good, people are go always criticize. So guess what now? You have to just do what you have to do and not watch people. Because when you do bad, people talk. When you do good, people talk. So you have to just do what you have to do. I mean now go make them stop me from taking care of my daughter. You see me I say? Them always say when time a man and a woman left always the man fault. But it happen it go the other way this time. You see me I say? Go the other way. Remember they always say no, man always run from the responsibility and I want to take care of them picnic. Well I am one of that father will come to change the ball game. Different settings now, you see me? Yeah, I'm going to show them how real man take care of them picnic. Now listen to what I'm talking now. Now listen, just I do the right thing when I know what I need to do.